Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to crop a video on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application which is built into the Mac computer. We cannot start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's navigate to albums and then videos. So in the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to trim a video, and we did that by removing the last 2 seconds of the video. So let's now click on the video that was edited in the previous tutorial. Go to the right top corner, edit the video, and now on top where we have adjust filters, let's now click on crop. This will allow us to edit the video, adjust, flip, change the aspect if we ever need to. In this tutorial, we are going to, let's just say, change the aspect from freeform to, let's just say, square, and this will then crop a segment of that video itself. If I want to, let's just say, flip the video, we can also do that. Let's now reverse that flip. We can also select another segment of the full video and then edit that way. So now let's click on done. We have now cropped a segment of that video. Let's go back one. If I was to, let's just say, double click into that video again, go to edit, go to crop. We can now revert to the original by clicking on original and then decreasing the full video to revert to the original. So we can now click on done, and there we go. So let's go back one. Let's now quit photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.